Ironclad's customers use AI Smart Import to digitalize their third-party paper, legal contracts, and in-flight agreements. Let's start by uploading a document to demonstrate how Ironclad Smart Import can extract over 190 metadata properties and clauses in a few seconds. This also includes any custom clauses that were set up and trained ahead of the import. With over 90% accuracy, Ironclad will extract key terms like counterparty name, counterparty signer name title, agreement dates, governing law, and more, as long as they are present in the document. We OCR every contract to make it searchable, even if it is scanned poorly or has coffee stains, like this one. Here you can also see that we automatically identified key terms like counterparty signer name and counterparty signer title. Down below, Ironclad has also identified clauses to streamline searchability and data analysis. For example, we will highlight assignment and force majeure. In this next scenario, we will import over 40 documents at once in a matter of seconds, and our AI will extract relevant data. Ironclad's Smart Import instantly shows some baseline analytics in a summary to give you confidence in the accuracy of the data pulled once the digitalization is complete. Duplicates are automatically detected and can instantly be deleted. Ironclad's OCR also recognizes contracts in over 20 different languages so that they are free text searchable. Here, you can see a free text search in Spanish pulls up a text snippet from a Spanish language contract. Lastly, Smart Import will detect and tag custom clauses that were set up before the documents were uploaded. Earlier, we set up a custom AI model to capture penalty clauses. Here, you can see the penalties clause that was tagged from an imported contract, giving legal teams the flexible contract intelligence they need.